Have you heard any of these words? Systematic life, routines, timetable, time management, organizing, or schedule. I was about 8 years old when my mother started giving lecture on systematic life, because I wasted most of my time play games or watch TV. No flashback, let's move to the point. First of all, remove the weird thought that having a systematic life is tough, man. I would hardly follow it for maximum 2 days. Because here we are for answers to those questions. Systematic life is not hard. It's much better than wasting your time on entertaining yourself for no reason. It will teach you discipline and a proper method to focus on your goals, and if you are committed, then there's no stopping you. Step 1. List out all the things you do in your everyday life or want to do from now onwards on a sheet of paper. Like workout, studies, reading book, etc. Step 2. Arrange them in your calendar by giving them time periods, like workout at 6 a.m., study at 4 p.m., etc. Step 3. Daily to-do list management. All you have to do is before going to bed organize your to-do for the next day. And later you will realize that there are plenty of time to do more things. That's it. If wanna know what's the use of the notepad, then according to me you won't use it every day, but it will help you to store the ideas which pop up from your brain. Like I use the app for script writing or note making. And if you need more detailed explanation, then fetch the link for Pullein's lecture on Skillshare free from the description. Highly recommended, guys. Have a look. It works perfect. That's it. No complex theories, no difficult methods. Arrange your day in a manner that you could do everything. It's that simple. As a conclusion, if you understood the session, then give me a like. If not, then dislike it and comment me why, or wanna ask any questions, contact me through Instagram or email. Finally, subscribe and share it with friends. It's ABHI Nair signing off from Knowing Yourself. Thank you.